Greetings to the moto vlogging community and fellow YouTubers. Triketacular here. Just out for a ride. Riding 2 up with my dear wife as co-pilot. Another rural road just outside our city. We're located on the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. And you can see quite a lot of the leaves along the roadside here are starting to fall. So fall or autumn, if you like, is on the way. So this road here was kind of just heading down one of the mountain areas just outside our town. There's some residential housing here, of course. So it's a nice peaceful ride during the day if you don't have someone right up on your bumper. It can get pretty curvy at the end or on some parts of the road, as you'll see. But we just take it easy, and Dusty will bring us down safely. Once again, Dusty is our 2014 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic, which is a trike. You can see some of the cracks in the pavement here from years past with the frost breaking up the pavement. Quite a few leaves here. Could be rather slippery if you're on a two-wheeled motorcycle. It's beautiful here, coming through here in the spring and summer when the sunshine is, the rays of sunlight are coming through the trees. So I thought for a topic on this moto vlog we could talk about helmets. What are your favorite types of helmets to wear? Do you like the half helmets or a beanie style or full-faced? The full-faced helmets that are a modular fit, I guess you would say, where you can lift up the chin portion. That's the kind my wife and I use, the full-faced modular helmet. The model is HJC, and they're quite comfortable. You can flip up the face shield a bit. I have it completely closed today for doing the moto vlog, so hopefully the audio will be even clearer. We've put in an extra shield, an anti-fog shield, where I guess the steam from your breath goes in between the regular shield and this anti-fog shield, and it works pretty good for us, because I've found in the past that, especially in the summer when you're quite warm or hot, that the face shield wanted to steam up if you had it completely closed, which sometimes if you're on the highway, the freeway, going freeway speeds, you want the visor completely closed. On some peaceful, quiet roads, I've lifted the modular helmet chin part up just to get a sensation of what it would be like riding with an open-faced helmet. You do definitely feel more wind on your face, of course. There's a bit of gravel on the road here. Lots of leaves. How about some of those custom helmets? Have you seen those that people put like the Muppet characters, kind of a sock type device over the helmet, so it looks like you're either it's Cookie Monster or Big Bird, some character like that is driving or riding the motorcycle? Would you wear something like that? I've seen some of the moto vloggers, they have it looks like a mohawk style or a brush that's on top of their helmet. How about something like that? Would you wear something like that? I don't think I would. So I'm pretty conservative by nature. Don't want to draw too much attention to ourselves. Riding dusty, that draws enough attention to yourselves. I saw one a picture of one helmet. It looked just like a hamburger. It was a great paint job all around the full-faced helmet. They had the sesame bun with hamburger, onions and lettuce sticking out of it. It looked just like a big hamburger. You could view that if you like on a fellow moto vlogger's site. He goes by the name of R1 Chronicles, and he's also on YouTube, and this hamburger helmet picture is on his Facebook page, and his Facebook name is R1 Chronicles Fun Site. That's R1 Chronicles Fun Site. He's got a lot of interesting little posts on his Facebook page that you might find funny. So last time we were down on this road, I think there was a detour. They're working on some kind of slough bridge. So if we can, I guess we'll have to turn right, possibly here. Yeah. And go a little further. Than we thought we might have to do. Oh well, as the motorcycle saying goes, it's not about the destination, it's the ride. Quite overcast today, but luckily the rain is holding off. That's the difference, it seems, about being on a motorcycle compared to the car here. We're enjoying the nice countryside, taking a leisurely cruise, doing the speed limit, but as you saw, the cager here, he wasn't happy with us going the speed limit. He had to pass. He needs to try motorcycling and enjoy life. So I'd like to thank you for coming along on this ride today. I welcome your comments. Give me a thumbs up. A special thank you to our subscribers. So until next time, take care and ride safe. Goodbye.